Today we're spring cleaning. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's spring cleaning time. Let's take a look at where we're starting from. When I start my spring cleaning, the first thing that I like to do is take down the stuff which I know has to go back up, because I don't have multiples of some things, like my bedspread and my outer curtains do not have multiples of them, so they have to come down, be washed, because they're going to go back up. But the other things, they'll get washed afterward. Now my decorative items, like the matching things I use as shears, bedspreads, throws, pillowcases, those I'll wash absolutely last. They get washed the last thing that I do, but right now it is all the stuff they have to reuse. My curtains are in the washer right now. I'll take the bedspread off the bed, and then we'll start wiping down the woodwork and all the furniture. So my cleaning mixture this year is water, tea tree oil, lemongrass oil, and also orange oil. Just a little bit of each, and it will help clean. The tea tree oil really is in there to help disinfect. So then I put it in hot water. Now I'm going to go and do the baseboards and all the furniture. When you do your furniture, make sure that you're using just a damp rag, not a soaking wet rag. The idea is not to soak the furniture. The idea is to damp wipe it off. Alright, the bedroom is cleaned. I moved the furniture around, which I didn't show you since, well, it just gets insane. There's not much room. So I moved the furniture around so I could clean behind it. Did the baseboards, did the walls, everything. I'm moving now to the living room. The thing which I have noticed is I must spend an inordinate amount of time putting, dirt and hair up to 2 feet level on everything. Because after the 2 foot level, it was pretty clean, but up to the 2 foot level, there's just like hair. Wonder what that could be. So the bedroom is officially done. Everything's been cleaned, vacuumed, all those fun things. I put up some of the decorative stuff that I have, and now the bedroom is all ready for spring, and it wasn't too horribly bad. The only problem is, of course, when you live in a tiny little space, you have to get used to putting stuff in other rooms. That's why I rarely ever record the whole, doing everything, because when you look around this room, you can say, wow, to move the furniture around, you really have to do some bizarre moving, and I really do. So it is all cleaned and ready to go. Now I've just got to put a few things away in the living room, but the system still works. Always work from top to bottom and from inside to outside. That's the easiest way to spring clean. Then I always take off all of my stuff that I'm going to use later on. The stuff they use that has to go back up, like I said, my curtains, my bedspread, those things come off right away and get washed. Then I take off my seasonal stuff while I'm washing my stuff, which is going to go out. Then, that way when it's all nice and dry, I can put it out, and we're pretty well ready to go. Now in the living room I have my blinds, which are really interesting, because what I did with the blinds this year was I used dishwasher detergent to scrub them with. I just put that in a little bit of water, scrubbed them down, then hosed them, and it really made them clean. And why I did that was because, let's face it, dishwasher detergent can help really clean, your dishes. It gets that stuck on gunk off of your dishes without having to do too much work on it. And I said, well, I wonder if that would work. So that's what I did. Dishwasher detergent in the water. Worked really well. Now the brush that I use is what was originally, it was bought as a toilet brush, but I've never used it as a toilet brush, of course. It is my bathroom scrubbing brush, so I use it on my shower stall, and it really helps scrub things down. So we are actually on day 2 of the house cleaning. Realistically, there isn't a whole lot to do. I just have to get things together. Things are scattered around because I haven't put out the decorative stuff yet. My office is almost done, but other than that, all the walls have been cleaned, everything has been dusted, the furniture has been polished, all that stuff is done. Windows are done. Now I just have to get things back in order. So the house is all done. Let me show you a sneak peek of it. It was really simple to do. I mean, the cleaning was easy. everything was easy. Just getting it back together and putting a few things around the house, it just takes a little time. Remember, as with all cleaning, you want to start at the top, go to the bottom, work from the outside, work from the inside out, and just do it. It's so simple to do, and it makes your house just smell so wonderful. And on a really nice day like today, you just want to open up the windows and enjoy it. Right now I am roasting hot because it did take a while, and everything is put away, so that makes me really happy. What you see in my house is really how my house looks. There are no extra lights, no anything. It just is how if you were to come to my house, that's how it would look. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my Patreon so you can support this channel and all the various things that I do. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.